Your control room is constantly evolving, and Evosite is meeting those new demands with custom-fit console solutions, integrated technology, and life cycle services to meet your needs today and tomorrow. For nearly 2 decades, Evosite's driving force has been to meet the specific needs of industrial board operators and pipeline controllers throughout the Gulf Coast and across North America. By doing that, we've become industry leaders in purpose-built consoles, human factors, and innovative technical solutions. Our control room designs consider every operator to ensure your team performs at their highest level and achieve maximum safety, reliability, profitability, and most of all, situational awareness and control of your primary mission. We start with the basics. What are your processes? What are the tools each operator needs for their unique position? What space is needed for printers and communication devices? What are the alarm management protocols, appropriate displays, sight lines, and traffic patterns in your control room? Evosite custom designs and builds each console and every control room around your unique requirements. We invite you to visit our website to learn more. Give us a call or drop us a line. One of our control room experts will be in touch to schedule your personalized needs assessment, either in person or virtually, depending on your preference. Take control today at Evosite.com.